Hello, Ian Agrell Architectural Carving. So here we have some finials that we've carved. Normally these were carved for curtain rod ends, etc. But of course they can be used under all sorts of circumstances, on tops of furniture, etc. So you can see that they're normally turned first and then carved. There's quite an elaborate acanthus one there, and a pineapple at the back there. That was for the top of a newel post. And this one's a monkey fist for the sailors amongst you. And at this end, we have a bunch of fruit. So we have a pomegranate, artichoke, and a pineapple. So finials, they can be used for decorating furniture.